Yeah, well, once again, this is Dixon. Now, I currently am working on a strategy that I would like to briefly put together. I'm still working on it. Today is Sunday, 3rd of August, and I want to make sure that I go step by step of this strategy in my forex trading. Well, those of you who don't know, I'm still working out on a strategy. I'm not yet profitable. I've tried out, I'm still on a demo. I've done also some challenge which have failed, but I'm still going on. I haven't started. So, and still practicing on a daily, reading, some backtesting. So I'm still working on it, all right? So there's this strategy that I found out. Currently I'm reading price action, and for the last like 3 months now I've been doing price action market structure. 4 steps, right from analysis. I look at the trend, market structure, price action, and key levels. My key levels are support and resistance, that's horizontal support and resistance, and some trend lines. Then when we go to trend, definitely I look at is it an upward trend, is it a downward trend, or is it consolidating. Then when I look at price action, it's generally how market structure, it's how the market is behaving. Is it doing higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs? It takes time to form, but I have to read these in price on whatever time frame I'm analyzing, be it on the daily time frame or in the 4-hour time frame, or my entry time frame, which is the 30-minute and 15-minute time frames. So I look at the higher highs, the higher lows, or lower lows, lower highs. I usually like to take entries at that point. And then price action, I look at now, price action can be candlesticks or price action patterns. For example, the candlestick patterns I look at is basically the long wick candles, these momentum loss candles, especially as price is approaching a particular key level or it wants to reverse, for example. Momentum loss candles like inside back candles, shrinking candles, candle color change, long wick candles, multiple rejection candles at a particular level, engulfing candles, all this kind of stuff. Then there is also price action patterns. So I look at price action patterns like head and shoulder patterns, inverse head and shoulders, double tops, double bottoms, triple tops, triple bottoms, wedges, channels, triangles. Well, there's a recent cup and handle, but I basically look at those. But so in my entry, I also break down my entry into four steps. I look at behavior, how has price behaved as it got into my key level. Then 2, I look at, after behavior, I look at pattern. Okay, after, let's say it has gone on my time frame, like for a 4-hour time frame, it shows me a pin bar, or daily it shows me a pin bar previous day. So I'm looking for a pattern. Simple. That's double bottom, triple bottom, head and shoulder. I usually like to enter after a pattern, then followed by a momentum candle. Momentum candle, if my bias is bullish, I want to see a momentum candle to the upside. Or if my bias is bearish, then I want to see momentum candle to the downside. Then I can take my entries and then entry. So that is it. So one thing I've discovered again is one thing I want to work on within this week. When you study market structure and price action generally, studying candle by candle. So each candle I've realized can give me meaning and clear prediction of the next day's movement. For example, if I look at one daily candle, reading clearly my price action, the higher high, higher low, or whatever it is at that time, the daily candle, or let's say yesterday, can give me predictions. So early in the morning, I look at the previous day's candle, try to read into today's candle. And as the London session opens, I say if I have a bullish bias or bad bias, then I have to look for those movements, high low on my lower time frame, say 30 minutes or 1 hour, that I can take buy trades on. So that's it. So I'm going to work on that. Look at the previous day, determine the next day's movement, go to a lower time frame and wait in this day. Say today is Monday, it's closed, Tuesday. I look at Monday's candle, be able to predict Tuesday, look at Tuesday on a lower time frame, but keep shifting from my lower time frame to the upper time frame, to the 4 hour actually. I look at the daily, then on the next day I look 30 minute or 15 minute, 4 hour. I keep comparing the two, and that will give me a move ahead throughout the day. So that's it basically for now. Otherwise, like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to follow. Yours boy truly, Dixon FX, Darling Investments, just started and moving on. Not giving up until I win.